welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you a potential swing play setup for NEO, ticker symbol NIO. We're taking a look at NEO on the 4-hour. Looks to be bouncing off of that support, that SMA line. But one thing to keep in mind is if it does go below that SMA line, just at least temporarily, just like it did here for that 55, got down to 55.89. Then we're going to be in undervalued territory, which you see we were temporarily before bouncing back up. So if you did want to get into the stock, now wouldn't be a bad time to consider, buying shares and riding it back up to that $60 level if you're in for a swing play. And if you want to be a little bit more, cautious and see if it's going to go further, just kind of watch it throughout the day. If it gets below 56.85 and continues to come down, then we're going to be very, very undervalued, and that would be a really, really good entry point to get in and ride back towards the upside. So I want to show you a little bonus play as well. So this was one of my stock picks from the week, FOLD, and I was kind of saying, wait until you see for sure that we have signs of a reversal, and we're slowly but surely getting there. Still undervalued, but you can see here on the MACD that we're trying to cross over from our bearish pattern to a bullish pattern. So if you're going to get in, now would probably be a good time to get in at about that $12 mark, and I would ride it up to about 13.45 to 13.50, and then I would cash out before we get to that key resistance level of 13.67, because you don't know if it's going to get rejected and come right back down, or what's going to happen. So if you get in, I'd recommend a tight stop loss on it just in case it keeps slowly kind of moving down, but I can see it going up a little bit, at least temporarily, if before it trades lower. So I think this one here got beat down a lot, and people are just waiting for it to settle, and it looks like it is settling around that $12 mark. So I think that would be a safe play to get in. Anyway, guys, just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This was all for entertainment purposes only, so make sure you do your own research before investing. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And also, I keep forgetting to mention that if you're new to investing and you want to consider Webull as your platform, you can get some free stocks by signing up and depositing $100. I have a link in the description below, and I'll try to mention that every time that we have a new video from here on out. So other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.